Welcome back, everyone. In this lecture, we're going to briefly discuss Python and its advantages in an overview, and then we'll show you how to install Python onto your computer. Now, Python was developed in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, and it's quickly become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. And this is because it has many advantages. The main advantages that Python has is that developers can learn it quickly, and this is because it typically involves a lot less code than other languages, and the syntax is a lot easier to read. And this is because, as you'll learn later on, is that Python makes use of white space. That is, it uses indentation instead of curly braces, and that allows users to really learn it a lot faster than they would other programming languages. And because of that, Python's now utilized by pretty much every major technology company in some capacity. And what's also really nice about Python is that there's a huge amount of additional open source libraries. That's basically to say, if you want to perform a particular task in Python, maybe you want to create PDFs in Python, send an email in Python, work with images, do data analysis, create a website, there's additional frameworks and libraries available to you that are open source that people have created that allow you to do those things. Python itself has a lot of stuff built in. It's known as a programming language that has batteries included, and that's because there's a lot of standard libraries that are included in Python that allow you to already do a lot of stuff. That is to say, for instance, it has a math library that has a lot of capability, but there are additional libraries in case you need to focus more on a particular niche topic, such as numerical computing. There's a library called NumPy for that. So to actually look at all these advantages and start learning Python, we need to install it. And we're going to install Python using the free Anaconda distribution. And the reason for that is that this distribution includes Python as well as many other useful libraries, including Jupyter, which is the notebook system we're going to be using throughout a lot of the course. Later on, we'll use things like text editors to write Python scripts, but when we first start learning, Jupyter is a great choice. Now, Anaconda, another reason we choose it is that it can be easily installed onto any major operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. One thing I do want to point out before we jump to the actual Anaconda download website is that because Anaconda includes a lot of these other libraries, there's also a miniature version of Anaconda, which is Miniconda, which is a lot smaller. So in case you don't have enough room on your computer for the full Anaconda installation, there's also Miniconda, and we'll be showing you how to work with that right after we show you the main Anaconda setup. So it is recommended that you use the full Anaconda, but just in case you don't have a fast internet connection or you don't have enough space on your computer, you can always use Miniconda. So let's begin the installation process by going to www.anaconda.com/downloads. I'll see you there. So at anaconda.com/download, the website will look something similar to this. It may be updated from time to time as far as the look and feel, but in general, it will have the download links for the various installers for the Windows, macOS, and Linux systems. And if you click on one of these, you'll be brought down to the actual download links for the graphical installers or the command line installers. By the time you view this page, it's most